Hey there, this is the Hungry Dad, and this is how to make baking powder biscuits. So what you're going to need is 1 cup of flour. Put it in the bowl. The next thing you're going to need is 1 teaspoon of sugar. Put it in the bowl. The next thing you're going to need is 1 teaspoon heaping of magic baking powder. Put it in the bowl. Give it a little pinch of salt. Just a little pinch. Only about that much to the recipe. You don't want it too salty. The next thing you're going to need is some ice cold butter. Give it a little mix with your fingers. Get that butter in there as fast as you can. Nice and ice cold. Alright, we got the butter in the bowl. You're going to need 2 butter knives, just like Mom and Dad taught me. Just cut it, cut it, cut it. That's all you got to do. Cut up that butter into the flour like so. It'll keep breaking down. You do this with a butter knife so that your hand doesn't make the butter hot, and then you get crappy biscuits. With this, you'll get nice, light, fluffy biscuits. And that was a little over 1/3 of a cup of butter. And 1 cup of flour. Alright, so there you go. You got the butter cut in. You don't need to do much. Next, you're going to need a 1/2 cup of milk. Nice ice cold milk. Drizzle it around like so. Take your spoon and mix her up. Mix, mix, mix. But don't over mix when you're making biscuits. Just enough to combine the dough. Oh, there we go. We got biscuit dough. Alright. There we go, it's all combined. So the next thing you're going to do, you could roll this out, but the Hungry Dad does it like this. I get a baking pan, I set my oven to 400 degrees. I get a spoonful at a time, and I plop them down. 1, 2, doesn't have to be pretty. 3, we got 4, we got 5 of them, 6, and look everybody, we got 1 extra, we got 7 today. We can squish that in right there. So you're going to want to put these in the oven now just like that. 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, and then you'll pull them out. Oh, do you hear that, guys? Ding! The biscuits are ready. Thank you for learning how to make baking powder biscuits.